Recently, I was able to do an experiment about key mesh feature of Blender, which allows you to create stop motion, clay-like animation easily. However, this feature currently on experiment stage. It is not with the latest Blender version, but they allow us to use it as an add-on. Now let's try it. First of all, you have to go to the GitLab link provided in description section and download the add-on Python file. Then open Blender and select Edit and select Preferences. From Preferences window, select Add-ons and select Install. From there, you can select your Python file, and after you install it, you can enable it. Now close this window. When you press N key on your viewport, you will get your right hand side menu, and from there you will notice there's a new tab called Key Mesh. If you click Key Mesh, you will get two buttons. Before everything else, go to your viewport and remove all the unnecessary object and create a new sphere object. Then go to your timeline and select the first frame. Now select a sphere object and press Keyframe Mesh from Key Mesh tab. After that, go to your second frame and again select Keyframe Mesh button. Now you can use Edit mode or Sculpt mode to animate this object. Just like the video, you have to add keyframe mesh for each frame and animate your model step by step. After you've done any changes to your object shape, go back to the object mode and move between keyframes to see your animation. Congratulations! You are now key mesh animated. Now you can go ahead and experiment with this tool a little bit more. After you animated several frames, you can go to modifiers and add any modifiers to your object. Try modifiers like Remesh modifier and you can create different effects. Another cool thing about this key mesh is you can delete your vertices while you are animating. Not only that, but also you can add object in edit mode to add more object to your key mesh animation. It is cool, right? Anyway, I don't recommend to use this tool in your production. Since it is still in experiment stage, you will notice some issues. But I think it is a cool feature to see in a future release of Blender. So what do you think about this tool? Now it's your turn. Try to create cool animation with key mesh and don't forget to share them with me. To see our latest Blender experiment, please subscribe our channel.